Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so that you are first to see my videos. This is what I made for my mom I made it for the family when my mom passed away. It's a boutonniere and we wore it at the funeral. And this is the flower that I have and I use. It's fake. And I used to have a flower printer and a candle printer, and I'll show you the candle that I did one year for something else. But I am doing it again. This is the picture that I will use. This is actually how the picture looks. It's an older picture, and I love this picture of my mom. Whenever I dream of her, she passed away in 2016. And whenever I dream of her, I dream of her looking like this. So I just love this photo. And anyways, I use my puncher in order to get a perfect circle. And then I will cut out the dates of sunrise and sunset. So with the first boutonniere that you saw, I did it for white material heat transfer. White material, you have to print on it, mirror the image if you have to. If it's a word or something, you have to mirror it. Then flip the image and then iron on the back of it and then peel it off and it transfer. But sometimes it's temperamental, so I like to use for black material where you don't have to mirror, you don't have to flip it. You just peel it off like I am right there. And then you iron it directly on the on the image itself, but of course with a protective paper that comes with the t-shirt transfer. So this is a very nice idea for, wearing at the funerals of anyone, for your loved one that has passed. And so I have done it for numerous family members. And I did it, of course, for my mom. I did it for a few family members, for my husband's family. It's very unique and it's very nice because not only do you wear a boutonniere if you're part of the it depends on where you are, that if you're you wear a suit and everything, you wear a boutonniere, and that you also have it. Another thing you could have it for is for weddings. Like if you're getting married, you could have a picture of your wife or the husband to be. You could have different things on there for different reasons. For prom, you could do a corsage. So I'm just basically ironing it on, and this mini iron is perfect for stuff like this. So like again, I used to have a flower printer and it was a flower printer, candle printer, golf printer, but it needed like an old software for Windows, and I don't have that. They don't carry that anymore, so I had to eventually get rid of the printer. I got it from China. It was very expensive, but I still like this. And the only thing I don't like is that when it prints, because I'm printing on the paper, that if the letterings, you don't cut out the lettering, so you will see like the paper of the lettering and so that's the only thing I don't like, except for just the lettering itself. But there's ways around that, of course, but in this video, I'm just showing you basically an easy way and a very unique way in order to get this accomplished. So I'm gonna show you a quick trick if you're not good at making ribbons bows. This is cute if you have a pencil or anything that's easy to slip off. So what I do, I kind of do a little quick bow to see how long I want it, and then I cut it so you don't waste your ribbon. And then I make my bow and slide it off, and then tighten it and play with it however you like. And of course, you'll need a glue gun for this in order to stick everything on, or any kind of glue or that dries fast. I prefer my glue gun. It works fast, and then you just stick, I'm playing with it. Make sure you do it how you like. I'm a crafter, but I'm horrible at making bows, and I have a bow machine, like those little bow thing, you kind of like plastic. I have one of those, but so anyways, I will glue it on with my hot glue and put a little bling bling in front and add a pin to it so you could pin it on. So like I said, I did the first one. I also have other corsage that I've done. I will try and link that also, that I've done for my husband's brother that passed away, for their family when he had to go to Belize. And so I made enough for like the sisters and I think close aunties, stuff like that I made. And also if you don't want to cut it for a boutonniere, you could leave it as a flower. Like you could give someone a flower, like a flower arrangement, like real flowers, and then put that one fake one in there with some kind of picture, wording, whatever. So it's different things you can do. So the one on the right is 2016, and the one on the left is the one I did today, just in remembrance of my mom. Her birthday will be tomorrow, March 24th, and also my son, my 12-year-old, will be 13. So the one on the left is when she passed. That's the picture I use, and the one on the right is one of my favorite picture of her. Like I said, whenever I dream of her looking like that. So anyways, it's a cute idea that I wanted to share with you. Let me know if you like it, and if you want to see any other arrangements videos with this concept but for different reasons. You could give someone a flower with a nice wording on it. It's so much you can do with this. And you could buy these pins at Michael's. That's where I got this from, a pack of them, and then you glue it on, put it on, it's there. So this is the candle I made from both my mom and my son when I had a party for them back then. And this is my mom, her big photos that we had next to her casket. Thanks for watching, you guys. Please don't forget with subscribing and hit the notification bell, and please comment.